Kajanmit besuk berkemen pi baro ki parlok nong sngap. Sa sisin ngap yang sngop ha yang pi syakani ka program jongi bangila ai kerteng ka street talk ka program ha ka bangi crunch pang ka bha kamiat ka roy ka par bat kumjuru ya ki thliu kis ar ki bashan bathar ya ka jala jongi hi baro kawai. Ka program menta kajanmit kanlong ha ka bilingual khnang bakan la ru banlong ka jingmentoy de benta baro ki parlok nong pet. Dear viewers, the Khasi film industry is one of the most neglected areas in the state of Meghalaya, although it is also one of the fields where employment is generated a lot. If we take a look at Bollywood, in Bollywood alone, 5 lakh people are being employed. Therefore, the topic for today's discussion will revolve around employment and filmmaking. Kapang kabangidon banyakran hakani ka janmit kanlong ki kam shna film bat kilat yo kam yo jam hendai haswa bangin ya chakmat ba kani ka phang pedeng kabangidon banyakran to inya pechwa khandiat ya ini jing penidur ibangidon nabenta jongpi ki film ki kita ki sembo bala longdo long snam aka jingem jong ukun benriu nadu kasnam ka praspa prabhupra haka bala ringdur ya ka film lingkot baningkong tam bala ai kerteng ka round he garden scene bala thau da Louis Le Prince jong ka France haki por bakamen chwa ki film ki kampuson ya ki ki ba ubri ula ban muddur kat nang la ban pen pher ya ki naki rukom em jong ubreu katta ki film ki nang itnap hendrai suki pasuki kipat nong pet kilas dang banbang ban perthu batru banle katba kila kumbale film dei hangni ba kinong sna film ki persang ban pun jingking ya ka jing mudur bat ya ka jing shisha ha ka jok ka bamenta ki film kila kalalong kinong hikai kinong yasaj kinong aikam badru ki butlum jong karoi kapar kanang ya ki por kiya kajing shna film kalanang kiu shaprang kalayat stat na Hollywood bat pur shakalang saudong kaperthai kum ka Bollywood hakari jungi klempep ban poi shadu ka jalla jungi ka Meghalaya kajingya lenti jungki film hakajalla Meghalaya kalong ka basuki bat bajalan ka korba films kadai ka wei na ki baningkong tam na ki production house ban penmi ya ka film bala ban kring yo pat nong pet na kaleng setelah kari ausnam ka khandai spa khandai pupra da ka film kamon bajwat ka balalong ru ka film baningkong jong ka jalla panyat yo shabar indrai dalatar ka jingsna film lingba kisnam kalong ka basyus ad blem ha kini ki arlais nam balatulun ni sham bakalas dang bandon ka jingkerman umau jintut bakalenti dei satang ba ompat don tang kaweru ka cinema ba pura banginyo menpeni ya ki film Khasi ngidan hang ni ka studio bat ngi ya ki riu champang balasan ha ka perkhat perdan bat kumjuru ki balano senyang sha kani ka film industry jongi ki Khasi bat mentangan penitu shwa ningkong iba Rafael Warjri Iba Rafael Warjri ilong iway na kinong odor ba kinong drodor kibala paunang ba hakaleng setlak jong ka ri jongi bat kumjuru shabar jong kari ideru I chairman jong ka Riti Academy bat uway na kinong shna film barim dortam jong kaniga jela jongi nadu usnam ka khandai spa prabunyo ngipidang sobhai pi ba Rafael ngidan ruang ni bat ngi ya iba commander Shampleang iba commander ide I president jong ka mi filma but ide ru I director ba I producer idang sudah penmiru ya ka film balayo ya ka national award kata ka khandailat ngi pedang sumbai pi ba commander but khadu khatwai ngidan I kong sweetie pala ibadai I director I producer nganong I producer I actor baru ibal aksibun teliki film ki balayo ya ka national award but ya ladiru ilayo ya ka national award I laak ya ka film unata dema pi meshwan meldi bat kiwe ki film Khasi ngi pedang sobha ya pi baro laingut ti ki film ka im lang sa lang bat ka yo ka kot kiyat lang tieng aku aman pasat cho kani ka jingkli phi ba Rafael hatu phila ban batai khandiat ha ka jingpet jong phi kalong kabakumnu kata ka jingyat lenti jong ki film khasi ha kani ka jela jongi
i film idurim mo nong idurim khasi te ngasai la dangi bodin tikila don haswa jong ki around prapo im tu dagi wigiwe tentai ka ba kham rat ba te ka de ka jing persang jong ba risan rapsang ngasai deusnem prapnyo tang dak mau ha te nang tu prang bede kala nang kham kiu te hatu kopor ki dan ki ba penmi gitu ki video film lagi VHS te kani ka slam mi film hang ni po durasan ru kadai kawai ka belakarsan borba hai ti por ki dan gini ki commission program bagi ju ai ki producer ba fair director ba fair na kani jela ti la ban no senjang sibun ki ha ka bede bat ka jing penmi yakini ki dur import ka jela ka jungi ti nang tu bede ka juk kala nang ya kila nang san la nang mi ki we ka poi hadu kani ka khlimat ka balong mentah ka ba lami ki ki nong pun film kum jong ba pradip kurba jong wan prang nang ta ba kiwi de nai kong suiti pala hang niru nang ta ba commander nang ta ugi way to nasi joy Dominic sama po garo hills kong semi kong tiang kan ta ter kidang ngai long gi belak kham sena kai belak kham pau ha
te ba commander nga ko an kli phi ka jui ka jing kli ha ka jing pet jong phi bra kata kalin ti ya jong ki film khasi kalong ka ba kumnu hadu menta
phi ha ka lenti ya hi jong ki film khasi kumba ka por ka ya kumta hi ha ka jinglap ga jong hi ngalap bag ngiru ngilas dang ban yakiu ha ka nika rukom shna ini ki film lada phi ong ha ka niki ka technical ro lada pi ong hagani karukom agro pi hakiwi kui jela jong kari India ki don dagini ki school hakaba kila ban lek sha hikai kaba haga jela ga jongi pada gidon ya kasap kebala ai kerpang do ublai hakaba ka kasap kebala ki don hi nala jong kani ka jing ak film te watla taru pi ki buon ki samla gi jongi ki bayo ai ka awat klam da sha hikai ro te kum katu ba pi ong menen national award ngangam padai national award tema kadai ka tu ka praksine award ka badai hapo not is
I was just about
kata long nasu long ma
ngarung kedit mana fi national award because ngampat benati ba iba commander ila yo national
kadai kani kan kadai not easy katu keturu kadai kalapnia minta lakum bakat nyo senam ai yaki tu ki award to te ngamut ban ong ye fi kum ne pi hakani ka jela ka jongiru menta idon ye gini kisamla to kila yela sedang hi bani pulih hakalan juga technical tingila sedang ban kiu lada fi page mentai ki film khasi film hakipor ki bakam mensual sedang kadang don hi ke jing teng sngo ban ong su le ran mo ban page ten ri menta tengi ban ong ye ka kam sna film tengi ngim le ran chu pi wat bat ki Bollywood ro ngi la yakop ri ka e ka ba ka dunah ne kolong nomor ba kani ka jing penlut ika pisa ka budget ka ba ngikum kinong chana film ngi tu hapor bangi sei kat no ngi penlut bat kat no ka jing yo tingi mla kan ban penlut da ki crore namar ba ka kata ka jing yo ka jungi kan long da ki lak jadi tang itan ri ba fin ong bengin ya shna ya ki samla ngila te ban anything like Bollywood like Hollywood we can make a movie like that but the only problem is that ngi ka long limited hang ne dan ri ngi sutanat menta kini ki film hi kum ke jong ba kurba teng ula yo ban pen i Indonesia Mumbai ngiru ngila ban pen i tan rei se ngimpat kampat wan ke jing wan jong ki breu ban wan pet sekiti ki sor ba mo kum sha Mumbai sha Delhi sini stai ngi scam la dangi ngi snai ki film ki ban kambiang le se ngin sa kamai bengin yo ban pen i kawai kari India baro kawai te ke jingmut jonga kolong ba ngilas dang ye kiu ka be dei ba keneka kam shna film kan
te kong switi kajui ka jingkalian kali pi tamba pi pede kum kawai na ki puron kabala no senyang bahaya ka khasi film industry jongi but haka jingpet jong pi nadu ba pis dang ban ak hadu menta kata ka jingya lenti ka jong pi bat jong ka film industry jong ka khasi hi kalong ka bakum no
well personally yanga yala de first of all ngam ju poi perkhari ro bangan ak film ne whatever because ngalit audition ya ka album Jinkerman la dapikan mau ya ka album Jinkerman jong ba Pradeep Kurba ngasha reject I was rejected te hadian nang tole nga klempoi perkhari ro bangan ak film ne bangan produce film ne but then kadanti kato something inside me. I'm very, very passionate about filmmaking. Te hakawai kasi nga yung phone call ni ba Pradeep ba yung ba ikwa bangan audition ya kawai pada ka album thamai jong I ka karteng jing it tingalet dalalet iselek yang so I was there. From there I moved on. And ngam don kam hiban ya thu ya phiru philayo I ka journey jonga nadu ka jing it hadu ka dema phi hadu ka onata mishra melody and everything. Henry the pikli bede ya ka film industry as a whole ha ka stage jongi mo ngan ong government of Meghalaya have declared the film industry as an industry in 2016 government kala de declare ba kadai ka industry
kala ito
but the point is it didn't work kampat long ka industry yang gidang okay. Just a few months ago, I went for another discussion, panel discussion kumni. Ba kikli. Mano ba kuat benlong doktor? Baru aki ong. Manga. Mangi. Mano ba kuat long nurse? Mangi. Mano ba kuat long actor? Mdan ba ong. Nobody raised their hands. You see? The point is, why? Because they know there's no hope in becoming an artist, in becoming an actor, because at the end of the day it's not all about money, but you need to earn a living. Amdanti ba ang mga kwaban aktor ha Shillong ha Meghalaya. You see, that's the point. So ka sarkar kaladeb declare ba filmmaking is an industry, but we still are not. Actually, we still are not.
Te ba komandaran kali ya pi. Haba ka sarkar kala declare ya kanika industry ya kanika khasi film industry bakan deka industry. Kai kajing ya pair haba por ba kampat declare ya ka bakan deka industry but kai kajing ya pair hadin ba kala declare ya ka bakan deka industry.
Pi kam don jing ya pair ai ruem. Idan.
I agree with you. I agree with you.
Kadai tang pejmangan batai fi. Hadin bakila ong bagade ke industry. Nakleng jung government ka ong ba ngingila ban ai subsidi ya kitu kiba set up studio. An ka ba kam long thamula kalong ba ka government of Meghalaya kan ai subsidi tang ya kitu kiba invest ada 1 crore above.
They do? Okay, I'm not aware of that.
Tang kiba invest ya gini ki studio kan ikini ki studio te kamud ki bahasa po ya kata pila sutu ke industry kamud kam dan kamud ka Shillong kam kalong kam kai kan to sakawai pet ki ong ke industry haddu menta ka government of Meghalaya kam padon ya kata ka department juga government of Meghalaya ka ban pet ya ki firm ngidon haka government of Meghalaya ngidon ka art and culture but ka information and public relation. Kini ki art lagi department kilong confuse.
Ingat iwi.
Kiong IPR page ka film. Sa sepang kiong art and culture page ka film. And then dengile ya kendo kiong mdan guideline ra ban ya keren sepang ki film. Mdan topik ra. Page kum kanuksa. Lada kala itu sisa kum ke industry. Chief Minister udang wanra ya ka budget speech hau benai mach. Lada ka government kadon sisa ban gentiu kala deban ongkeng. Ka government of Meghalaya kala earmark this much amount for the development of film industry in Meghalaya? Zero, nothing. Menta the government of Meghalaya they ban notified no immediately whether art and culture or IPR kaban pek niki film gini dan ngi salak ni menta temla te ban le keren ban no dang phabawan si Dudarshan kan Dudarshan Subhasa ya keren sepang gini ki government of Meghalaya mdan.
Can I interrupt you, Bar Commander, in this? Yeah, it's like this day. It's like we're not even looking at personal profit or personal incentives that we get from the government. More, it's like this, more, Bar Command. It's like if we produce a film, we do it at our own cost.
Invest here.
But the point is, like, if you just look at Assam. If you look at Assam industry, the film industry there, we from here, we have to go all the way to Guwahati, but set up, because they have at least they have a studio floor. But we don't even have that here. Kataro ngimdan. Kataro ka government can provide yangi. We need a studio floor where we can set up our own sets and all that. At least ka cost ka kamdu nate yangi. Henry, we have to go all the way to Guwahati. Why? Why can our government provide us with our own studio floor where we can set up our own sets?
You don't come a policy mentah from the government kan, a policy. Kaban mentah once you have a policy dan ilak banyak kan mentah teh ong barafel mo kia kenyat teh. IPR go to art and culture go to IPR. Ngi sakut apa deng kan.
Tangan ngan pasat nak ni jingkli sapi barafel. Pi pilat dan nak ni ka kasih film industry nadu ka kendai spa prapunyo. Dia nadu ka kendai spa prapunyo pilat sustain. Yala di hakani ke industry. Dia tu fis ngau PE ba kadang don jingkerman kata ka kani ka kasih industry jungi film industry ba kanya chakmat ne PE kumno. Nama ladang ipet ya hakawai ka liang rup menta ka government ka kadon sakani ka tax. Ka ba kasim ka government central tax kat percent ya ka ba kaya share bat ka state government. Dia menta na menta kini ki bapinyo ya kini ki certificate semua pihak yo na gohati katur pihak sio dia PE ba kajela jongi kata ka kini ki filmmakers kila try and sustain
toki regulation mo ki company jang ka government la ka de na ka central government na state government dan la ka bentang ka bade bande na ka bentang bandroi ka par jang ka ni ka jing senadur impo ka jalan ane po ri bro koi ikatangi pediang dan dei ki kumboong ba komandan bagi kong sutiru ba hagajing sutu jonga kalong ba ki bro ki jing de ki jing penjari ki an ki kanun hapo ka jalane ki dei benlong yahap ka kat kum ka jing long jing man ha tu they should be relevant to the prevailing situation on the state so takadau pi kumbai ang ta ba command ba kibu ba for a project of modern acro then only they can give subsidy. It doesn't stand anywhere. It is not relevant. Ni dan ki producer ki ba ka asset is kumbakalong ka population jungiru ngi larit pai lupa. Tingi ngim la ban yo kata ka viewership ka bahadu kata. Ti sabangiru ngidang sedang we are still nascent ngidang.com mengin kiu ti kala dei ka part tang jong ka state government jong central government ru kumpa kaja haki snem kandai voter ter kumdo nadu ba kaneka software program jong ka Dudarshan baki ai tu commission program tikitu ru ki jano ndai kitu kila no senyang ba ha ka bede ban kentiu ya ka film nama la mi bun ha kan mau le ha ka por badang mi seketika St Anthony's mass communication but mass media yang the tigila mi bun ki kena ki long ki badon kata kasap kembagi ya gila ya keren gini ki don kata kasap tendre ki mio ya kata ka rensan ka babiang Dihri lengba kan ni kila mi perthai bat kila penisi saya kata kasap ke bagi labat bon kila ban sena tang hapo ri India wat sabar jong ri India ru. Tigi ni ki dong gibaran kam. Dengan supain dia ndian nambar nakaleng jongi ru kala dan kecing persang house nem ngatrai haki swa ka prapnyo hi swa bang ayu. Di hatu kepor kadan kani ka nakaleng ka IDC. Kidan kani ka industrial what do you call it, EDP, Entrepreneurship Development Program, where we have an industrial visit to Maharashtra, Mumbai. So personally, I took the initiative because this was not part of the EDP, because that goes for gini gi karkhana ban sena umso, karkhana ban sena gi jingbang, karkhana sena nar gi karkhana sena dobilat and all that. So ka banga nadu tikpor ka banga ngale ngam dan iwe di bangan song yahap. Ngapelai biaya ke film. Tengah orang namang sahaja bandai participate aku tu ke EDP. Tengah lain dapur setiap tengah orang bayar tu buat di in charge depa industries department ni. Tengah orang tengah aku bayar ke film. Tengah selehi sepo NFDC. Tengah NFDC ngalayo berkhoi guidelines. Dadap nang tu tengah hoi kata ngampak lak ban set up industry. Malah aku nunggu ngalayo ki inputs ki babiang na po NFDC, National Film Development Corporation. The first thing first that your state government should do is set up a national film, state film development corporation. Once you set the corporation, then the policy comes into place. Then kani ka kabagikan kini bandan ka studio floor, bandan ki studio for all aspect of filmmaking, bandan ka training for acting, bandan so many infrastructure bangila ban build up ni through the state film development corporation, but that kamsim jakan ti kumbakila ong baka ni policy it doesn't make sense. Mar kumbakalong suaban mi tak policy suaban declare asan industry ru ka kamsim long sorry ka policy padan kani ka declaration asan industry. So first thing first kumbang ba command they ban don so ka policy ladon ka policy first they ban don back so baka di ban big ini Film Development Corporation, because kawai kembang orang lu bangil arit pai lupa te ba invest haki state of the art equipment ngimla te somehow lada ka government ka one forward de kamut ngi kalaban setup hakaba it can create business, it can earn revenue. We only, instead of going to Guwahati, why don't we? Why should we go to Guwahati when the government is having all the infrastructure here? So we can avail of whatever equipments, of whatever facilities that they have. Tenre kata kami simnaja. Te ikan ni ru ngala keren hatu kepor barang mi ningkong kani commission program. Maybe after 2-3 years benda mi commission program, saya ngala penpau kani. Nampak government ki si ikut untuk nak kepor harga beda kani ka kumgini gijat program ban, you kan benda bantai ka imlang salang ne bantai ka yok ka kot jong kisamla. Te hakawai hatu kepor kan mau long chairman long chairman Bapol makla Bapol ndo nang ta umukul sangmaru udan long member hang tu.
Jongkai.
Kadang ka committee bagi set government regarding not only film, about art, about lot of things about creative fields, okay? Music and all this.
No, I don't think so.
It is there.
But Rafael, I don't think so.
It is there.
No, because the only committee that was formed during Dr. Mukul Sangma's reign as a
Chief Minister.
I was a member of that
committee.
Kan, but they did has this task force, committee. I was part of it, and that was it. Bapol is
Who
never
had the task committee.
Dr. Mukul Sangma.
There was a task force, as far as I can remember, there was a task force. But let's move forward with
not Dr. Mukul Sangma, during Didi Lapang. Sorry, Didi Lapang. Yeah.
Yes. So let me move forward with another question. Like there's a lot of difference in the way how films are being made in Shillong or in Meghalaya, as well as outside. If we are to compare the two industries, let's compare between two northeastern states of Meghalaya and Manipur. What is the difference between Meghalaya and Manipur that you can see?
I'll tell you something. In Meghalaya, I'm sorry. not to offend you, but if you talk about Meghalaya, ask any outsider who knows Meghalaya and films about Meghalaya, they only talk about Pradeep Kurba. Not to offend you, Commander. It's like that, but it's true. They only know about Pradeep Kurba. It's like that. But in Manipur, the system and the way they make films, it's like, the artist, be it actors, actresses, directors, producers, they all have their own identity and people know them. But in Meghalaya, I don't know how many people will know me, how many people will know him. But if you ask who's Pradeep Kurba, I think 99.9% people will know him and they will talk about his films. So that's one.
I beg to differ on this.
Yes,
Yes,
please.
because you see, if you look from the perspective of the public, yes, you're right.
Yes.
But you should look also from the perspective of those people who are actively involved in the filmmaking industry, which knows
I completely
the other people. Not just we sitting here.
Yes.
There are a few others like Julius Basiamait. Like they are one of the great practitioner of filmmaking. Maybe they are not popular in public.
Yes.
They may not be popular in
That's
public,
true.
but their contribution.
To be very honest with you, I don't even know who is that you're talking about right now.
That's what.
But my point is,
now the problem is with you also. You need
So-
being a person who are actively
Yes.
involved in film. You should be well aware about what is happening in your own state.
No, Barafel, no.
Yes.
That's not
I
necessarily.
think I think we are all differing from diverting from the
Topic.
question here.
Okay.
So the question here is this: what is the difference between the Meghalaya filmmaking industry and the Manipur? Let's not talk about individual people here. Let's talk about the industry as a whole.
Industry, so on.
Like,
Okay,
what is the
industry as a
difference
whole.
between like the Meghalaya film industry and the Manipur film industry?
Well,
Yeah.
I am really not aware about how the Manipur film industry is working right now.
Yeah.
I have no idea, to
Okay.
be very honest. So I have no comments on that.
So,
Okay.
Command.
Baik. Ketika ya kan hakaliang ngemenang keren sepang teknikal nah kaliang kata kaliang ruki kamkiu maki kendiat yang ima ke Manipur. Kawai pi ha Manipur kan pi. Ha Manipur ki brio ki ej bahaya kini ki film lajong. Manipuri film. Wat nakaling jungkiro msyahiru wat ban pen iya ke film hindi ha kata ke jelah.
Tu nak yang kila no.
Pilaban sutu angta. Pilaban sutu angta bakumno ke support na ki brio. Pi lada ngang menta fi kamu no film haban pejru ka ya ka rukom bakumno ngan invest kumno ngan yo ta. Pi te menta hangi lai haki ki bakam mensya lai ki ani tu ipi. Pok gejala ka jengi. Dalek pej film long pop. Haga banga ngam kenyre baka long pop. Kata ka sawa kasur hakani ka jela ka jengi. Pi balikan long pop aba pi pej na ka positive angle kan pi aba don ugang ba sibu syok bring tu pinmi ang tu pelik syok breu ma kam dei gumta ka film te it's a film most of the film kidai ki bang issue mudur
It's a fiction.
fiction
Yeah, it's fiction.
no ki don't give film true story also as well I mean tang ba ki
Tapi
babun
ini case film ini artwork kadi kaba reflect ya ke actual situation in the society.
Art is an imitation of
life, yeah.
As it is.
So there's no harm. I mean ngipeni ya kecing sisa te, ngipeni ya ke reality te. So what's wrong with it? It's only bangilong arsap kan. Gitu kiba ong bakalong pop ne ba bamdai ba ketika kam ka bapo ne and all that ne iba kilong arsap kan. Ndai ngingi persang ban peni ka baja sisa po.
I agree with you, Barafel, because I'll tell you something personally. Hadir bangala da biatho dan bakli yang la da biatho ru
dan ak film
so I find that question weird
Very
like very weird. I'm like Dangadang chispa snem ru dangadang laban ngan abeng.
Pimla
Like,
menjubat
you know,
kita ke jingkeli.
yes.
Kan kut no auto
It's
nong
like-
keli kan.
It's crazy, no? It's crazy, no? Baki bre
Kayak apa
keli
pun itu,
kita
Mak?
kita
Ah.
jingkeli.
Pet kene ka jingkershan. Support. Pet kini ki firm na po South kan Tollywood. Tang syumi ke firm tai tapi ke yang lain gibriu. Yang lain gibriu ban kershan ban pet firm. Ka kieu ki industri ka kamla wat bani ka Bollywood ro. Plus tu tang tangi ni kinong sinar ki habban ya compete ban sinar ke film ke babaha kumni kumtai. Te kumta ka nang kieu kan. Te hagani ka jela jungi menta te nga i kila nga dokumen ni tu ifi ka we ka liang. Ba menta kini kinong sor kila pet ka film jonga. Nga dokumen ci siapi mencuali nong sor kunju pet tapi film.
Kita gini kono.
Mar menta balai nga pen i hapo galeria.
Target audience is always the rural folks.
Te menta nga pen i galeria kiwan page ada yang sutenar kila don ki balai stai kila ngumta kan jelas tu mon page ngala dokumen berkata ke culture nga kwa bakan don hapo ka jela ka jungi ka film culture bengin page film
Kanwan bet lada ngila ban achieve certain prerequisite of standard ni nakaliang na barok kiliang technically lane direction lane acting ni lada ngila ban khajo kata ni
No, technically, I think we've improved a lot. Like, you know,
But still a long way to go.
Yeah,
we still have a long way to
Still
go.
a long way to go. No doubt about that. But then, ngatarai, yeah.
So that way
Your next
kumba
question,
ngan pobian
Mebon?
sekai kejengkeli ba fi ong fi ba
Mebon is-
Manipur. Yeah.
Mebon is, he's just like, you
We
know,
are giving him more life to.
yeah. Let him ask the next question.
Actually, I'm enjoying this. I am really enjoying this because it's like this is the first time that a panel discussion is this lively, and I actually enjoy it. It's not really boring.
Yeah.
Te,
So
Ba Rafael,
Yeah.
ngan ya ada ko yung kelima.
okay.
Namar bangilay as akut pala rajo. Ta. Ladang ipet mo ya ka Manipur film industry, but ya ka Meghalaya film industry ya ka jingpet jonga kan. Ngai iba ki artis ha Manipur kila ban na ka jing ak film. Kat ba ki artis ha Meghalaya jungi kimla ban na ka
No.
jing ak film.
No.
Hatu kani ka daw jong ka jinglong kumni jong kani ka industry jongi kadai na ka daw jong ka jing sha i kun sweat palat ha ka government ne pidan da ko ka
partly kedai kita. Partly kedai te ngatrai yang ngiru ngi kumki nong pen mi film ngi di ban don ka jingkit klik te. Kan poi biang sekatu bangi keren mentan. Kan poi ka jingkit namar ngi haban educate. Ngi haban ban pensung tho yo pai ba kumno bu de ban pe film kan. Kumbai ong kaman mentan. Sisin habala don ka film kamot kitu gila wan etut. Te mdadai tom om ki kwa pe film ne be kidon kamen sim ban kersan.
ya laki jom
Ya lagi jong. Tika don kata ka community bondage. Te ni ka jing sngo teli lang hakawai ka jabin rio. Te ka kadi ka bangin ndingi pada Maria sedang ngila don lupa ka prejudice. Tapi pa film kasih la don lupa tu. Te kani kanu melami suno. Te lakum no Pak Pradip Korba kumbai ong konsulti. He has created a benchmark tu ka kalapa hapo ka imlang salang kibri mentah ki lasung tu ba kadon ke ban no senyang ya ka imlang salang. Ti entah kadang ong fi ba partly ka jingkit klik jongi. But partly ka jingkit klik jong government. Tama ka major part hi ka jong government. Ka government kumbang la poi biang satu ko bang ka ban wanra hi ka film policy ka ban set up a film development corporation, then only we can make a very good start of. Yeah.
Ta ba kuman kumbang ila ekran mo naduk mene ba kibun hi kini kinong sor kumba pi ong hi. Kileran malit pe ki film jong pi ha ki por membenchua. Teladangi pui sya ka reality mo. Beli kileran. Kata kadi ka jingkeli ka ba he ba bangi haban bu ladi. Beli kileran malit pe ek tagi film. But bali ya kani ka film thamai jong pi bre ki smutanat malit pe. Te kumbai ong kong switi ru mene syapang ki film jong Pradip Korba. Ki film jong Pradip Korba ki breu syabaru ki pet ki breu niru ki pet. Balada pi pet ya ka quality jong ki film jong pi. Ki ba menchua ba ki ba menta. Kala per baklabak. Te how to ladangi note bangin face ya kata reality. Ba kadau ba ki nong pet film kasi nang ni na sor kim skutunat balik film pet ya ki film kasi haki por khamen chua kadai na kadau jong ka quality hendrai menta baka quality kala ya chakmat baka quality kala hab ban litpet kila sedang ban litpet hatu pis ngau ba ka dei ka prejudice kumba ong I ba Rafael ne ka dei ka quality ne ka ba ngi hab ban deliver
pi ka quality kadai ka wai tong ba ha ka jingya jung ki por ka ngi haban sutu ha ka ki por ki ba men syala da pi pet ki fem hindir kim padalong ta do kata-kata ro ting kemud ha ka tu ka por ngir dang ngimpat kiu kan kata-kata ngamur bang kadai ka wai na ki faktor kata ro teh ndrai ladang I don kata ka men simban kersyan ya lagi jong kumba ong bara film ne ini kin ban ya kersyan ini ban ya ai jingmut da ka positive way kan ban ong to ngin ya kersyan kan te ngangamen jure kata ba hoy nagling jungir ngidon kam ban improve nadong syadong haba ong filmmaking kemud the whole process of filmmaking kemud rabat ong tang ban akla biang ane tang ban ring la biang ani kibun 24 department ngidon hakani ka filmmaking ti yakini barok khoj mentang ila sedang ban improve te ngatrai hakata kaliang nga scam baki pajba kinang ni skmat kin ai ka jingkersyan te hendrei ka bak kam kongsan kidon artli ki benta bangin ngin yo ban kieu hakani ka film industry kawai hoat ka di ka polisi na government bat ka ar ka di ka jingkersyan na kaliang jung ki pajba bat nangling jungi ting hap sutu ngi haban wan ra ka quality pi mene I ba Rafael I ong bang indon ka film development corporation ala ong pi nadu mene ba pe ke department da keempat don mana ban page yangi the who will initiate that art and culture or IPR so kebakongsan menta kalong ke department yangi ke government of Mekle has to notify immediately kano ke department ke ban page yangi then that particular department will take up on set up a firm development corporation and many others kung migini ki festival bala adab ki superlong kay IPR teng ka art and culture ituro ki suya perlong nong no tip let's say kala banlong ba chief minister tu ki por dong sultanato ya pelong film festival ke ikan nodal department kaban peje ka tu nuntu ti kelaja no mentangin li ya keren bat no ta bag government suppose if we want to talk about film that's kata kan
hajing sisa kemudlong kesorkan ni kala ban bu lang berolakli tourism art and culture and IPR kini gila ban wan lang haju and maybe kemafi ongpi bu kawai pada as a nodal agency kaba kinumya nyat kisu iwe kan lada gibu nodal agency ka IPR kemud IPR has to give all the reply to all queries what do we need and what do we so it has to take up whatever
kong suti ngan bu ikani ka jingkle pi mo kumbala ong iba commander mo mene ai ong ba ngi hab ban wan chakmat bangin hab ban support ya kini ki filmmakers ki menta ki jongi mo ki jong la jong tang ba hatu phim sngo ba kataru ka bu jingma he ladang issue support bet yakat badon
yes
kamut ka quality kanum kiu lonuru hatu phim sngo ba kadon kam yangi ba ngin hab ban jet syaru kana ba kini ki ba penmi film kindon kata kamen siem ban compete
Exactly. I was just coming to that. Namar ba iba ko man mentanin yung ba hoy ka quality ni haban whatever. Nado basdang hindi ba nga keren no offense. Lang ki film jang iba pradip na do basdang hado menta. Empat don ba complain. And ki yad bet nado heb nado kaman bajwat nado why? Because quality matters. Quality matters. He doesn't compromise on quality.
So what is the risk of these of all these other films that are not up to the mark to the Kasi industry?
Like, see, I remember once, Ampreen, I think, was once a professor in mass communication, St. Anthony's. Whatever. And then suddenly, ki sedang mi kini ki films Kasi. Mi kulmar bete tip mano bas direct mano ba actually kulmar she shoot kulmar and all that, and she even said that I remember in one of her interviews she said that mentate anybody can hold a handycam and then shoot a film, you know. So that's not filmmaking, that's not art, that's not creativity. You see, filmmaking is an art. It's creative. You have to be creative to be a filmmaker. You have to be creative to be an actor. You can't just be an actor. But you know, anybody who holds a handy cam and then shoots a film, but she por kila me em shoot me kul marte. So obviously we cannot accept that. We really cannot accept that.
Mediocre has to prevail.
Yes.
Mediocre has to prevail in order to derive excellence.
Exactly.
Kita kadang ngam da agree but fiba finong ba we have ngidai benda ka prerequisite bagi kanu. Especially even you can make film with mobile phone. There are programs, there are quality programs.
No, you're not getting my point.
I'm getting your point.
No, you're not getting my point. My point is not that you can make a film with a mobile phone or with a video cam. But my point is like anybody is like just carry a.
That's what. This is where I'm saying that mediocre has to prevail. Kimayadan system nilai. Out of
but
those,
then you have to be creative
out of
about
those
it.
huge crowd of mediocre.
Yes.
Lakunom no South Sangot tikin mi kiba excellent. So it requires.
So if you give us good
kadang
work with a video cam or with a mobile phone, that's great. That's good.
That's what.
That's good. But then we're not getting that.
But yeah,
No, it's emerging.
But we're not getting that.
It is emerging. It is emerging. It's only it comes back to what I said earlier. If you look at the populist attitude, then you don't see it. So you have to
we're
you
not
have to
looking
understand.
at that. We're not looking at that. It's like okay. Personally,
we have,
I
people
like
like,
Ba Commander said earlier.
Mm-hmm.
Like Ba Commander said earlier, a lot of Khasi film artists, like actors or whatever. I'm not a trained actor. I am not a trained actor.
None of us here are trained.
Okay, I'm not a trained actor. I've never went to a acting school or something, but I have done movies and films which has brought accolades to the state and to me personally and whatever.
But Rafael, kaya ka jung sngo jung pi halor kane ka state government jung ka ba yai sponsor yang benta gini ki film ki bawan nabar kom na dangi pe ya ka rock on ka sponsor hadu
2
crores.
8 crore
2 crores.
Plus accommodation.
plus
somewhere.
accommodation everything else mo
I think so.
tang menta
Security
kendiat ba kanyarap ya ka tourism department mo kiong te hatu film sngo ba ki tourist ki bawan sini sa Meghalaya kim ne ki wan nakadaw jong karok on hindi ki wan nakadaw jong ki film ki jongi te hatu balay tharay kani ka government jongi ka smart bat ka smutanat ban sponsor ki banabar bat ka klet iki lagi
Tentang arli ke. Ada this colonial hangover. Di British kilaleng lawan ki Indian. Indian lah zaman seperti itu. Terlawan tak kai ke boleh ubah nabana. Kebut kata ngi pertu. Kai ke boleh ulajong ngi menjual. Wala dah boleh quality ru. Ngi melak ban pediang kai ke boleh naladi ngin pe. Kata kebaar. Kai ke beningkong. Kebaar pada kan dia behi ke bom sap. Ladam dia ke bom sap tu boleh bikin mi lagi. Ngadotang gini arti benong. Bahkan dia ke bom sap temengang amlak kan men pensisa. Ndai kapalang ka kadaw sa katahi. Paladam dan kata tu namar ba nangiti kinumnot de ban iyo. Ban ya bam tu untuk kan.
20 film nakar if ladaki ai local jungi 10 like each ngila.
Kan no.
Cina ada gamap.
Tatik bersisa.
Nai ai film yang ngiro mlilai. Ai lagi polisi ki babiang nai ai pisar mlilai. Indi ngidan kami ki.
Yeah, like I said, we don't need the government to support us personally as a producer. They support us as
Infrastructure.
Yes.
Let's create the infrastructure. Let's create the infrastructure. Then we'll do our job.
Yes,
not only do our job, we will contribute to the coffer of the government. We can do that. Now we have enough film personnel that we can do this.
Even revenue ka government
That's what kan.
For example nga manahkan ni bang penining kong itu ka film junga pasal lockdown no ngala ngasiu ka tax si government kumba arlak tam. Te ngala contribute nga sa ka state. Te mentaru bangerang penibiyang mentang atraikan tam ya ka silak bangan ai sa government kan kelatam lupahi nah kan poi biang saki
te ba commander ya kata ka pista ka revenue ka ba ka government ka sim ba ka collect na ki filmmaker si ai pidan jing tap trai ki ka panon kam si ai
kan ngatrai ki sinai tu surok basnio kam tam don ki bam sinaro pi ka dei kani ka pi ka government haba ka collect revenue kamut na barok khoj ke revenue te menta kadon ka SG bat ka CGST kadi ke GST. So she teng ila ai ka central and she teng ila ai ka state
government.
Tika pendon kami for developmental activities. Kumtahi kalong ya ka revenue te kan ya kumtahi.
Dia kang switi mo an kali ya pi kani jing kali ba habang ipet ya kajing no senyang jong ka government ya ban pelat scheme mo shubu ban pelat scheme ham jui bandon kita jing pelat scheme mo ya ki film ka jenjar ba tang ba ban pelat scheme machna surok ka kloi ba boleh tarai kalong kumta
Kata ka jingkali pikali na nga lang. Pikali na ka government.
em kata nga syukwa man kali na pi namar shubu kum shubu kum pi as an actor pi long curious hi balai kale kum ne la ne kaladon kata ka ba pi kwa ban pen pau ro nanduk menu ba balai kalong kum ta.
See, I'll tell you something more. To be very, very honest, the government doesn't take us filmmakers, actors seriously. Kumbanga ong yepi. And what kipat baru? Mo ba kaman? Kim shim yengi seriously. That's why I told you earlier. Par bangadang sudah biasa dan bakalienga. Pila da biasa ro pinak film. You understand? You see the mentality. The mentality of our society. You see? So that's the mentality of our society, and the government will never take us seriously. I don't know why. I don't know for whatever reason, but it's not taking us seriously. Because I went approached the Congress government when they were ruling. Nobody took any actions against, like, you know.
This time
Yeah.
as well immediately.
I sent somebody to meet Conrad Sangma as well. He's not taking us seriously. So the point is, the government is never taking filmmaking and the film industry seriously. Nobody. I don't know why. Don't ask me the reason, because I seriously have no idea.
Okay. Te Barafel. Naduk meneng la kren Sepang ki jingduna na ka government. Ke ki jingduna ki ba PE hakaliang jong ki artis ka ba ngi na kani ka jela jong ngim pala ban compete baki artis ban Sabar.
Ngimdan kam sre ban compete. Namar ka khtian gidan la jong hi. Yu tan re de kini ki jingdon kam ki ba kongsan hagabe de la ban sim kusa kumna ka acting. Gidan kam ka school of acting here. De nang ta de hagabe de baki technical delivery ke ek bala dan tanda nga try ngila don sufficient personal kan maybe ngimpat dan kat kum ka jingdawa marbun ki filmmakers ki dan tama teng ki ki hawan ra no Manipur on ra no Assam on ra na imo kumbalang hende ki lai don hi tiki di bendan tiki kini ki long ki ba hapok ke jelang ngi ban sungthu ba ngi ban yo ka jing hikai ka ba paka kat kumba la ban piang kan kumbalong lem sui kham tam ne le ha kani ka ayu bong fi kani ka acting kan nomor ba kumbalong kani ka technical aspect ka bangi pe lando ka cinematography hado ka editing hado ka sound hado ngila piang nding don kam pada ka proper infrastructure which is not feasible for the local producer kan.
Ba kaman ba pi atau pi sngoya ha ka jing ong jong ba Rafael bangim dan kam ban compete bat ki banabar.
Hakal yang jongka
acting ka film ya long ki artis jongi kim dan kam ban compete baki artis banabar.
Fi ngidon ya ki director. Haman lah ka film ngidon ki director. Te hakata ka jing shina film long ngi la don lupa te katuka ngianang bejban a nakling ki jongiro te ndri kata ka competition ta kawan ngidon kami ban at least ngin la ni ka basic kan mangiro tingidon kami kata ka school bangin yo ya kata ka jing hikai ndri kata ka competition tingin ila jong kan ngin Among arsal vi ken tikal kakam memitri kala compete hi kata kakam hi ken.
That's what. Actually, ka art kanu ka art. Dadi etang film kan. Be it painting, be it theater, be it music. Each and every individual don la ka jong ka capacity de ban deliver. Te kam dan kam ban dan tau yardstick ban. Mereka sports te. They ba if you don't reach the finishing line first, then you are a loser. No, it's not like in art. It's nothing like that. It's not like that. It has so many genre of expression that you cannot differentiate and compare between this one and the other one. Yeah.
Te kumto at palok nong pet ngilapoy ata siya bakut jong ani ka program ka jongi menta ka janmit hakaba ngila ekran pang ki film ka jingyo kam na ki film bat kumjuru ka jing ya day jong ki film bat ka imlang salang bat kumno ka government jongi ka don kam ban yarap bat kan don kam ban kentiu ya kani ka filmmaking industry jongi ladang issue pet hi ka film industry kadai ka way na kita ki industry haka perthai borok ka way ka bahetam baladang ipet tang haka regiongi ka India sanlak ngut kibriu kibala sya ban aikam hapo jong ka film industry but ka film industry ru kadai ka way na kita ki ba klantam ban contribute sya ka yo ka kot lani ka economy jong ka rihi borok ka way ngatrai hakani ka por ni deiru bangin nang yakinto shushu ya ka government bakan shimkia ya kanika industry jungi ka bala sya ban ben daki pau snam kadu karwai ngakwa ban ai kublai ya baro kini ki nang shimbenta ki bala dan lang ni ban ngi nadu I ba Rafael ba commander ba kong sweetie kublai shibun but kumto bat palong nong pet ngin sai kandu biang wat pi lashim tayo hakaju kapor kata kapor san baje janmit ngade umi bon ling doar naka di Meghalaya kublai shibun ublai nai karku yapi